Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable startup apps on Windows 10 to prevent them from launching when your computer turns on. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best results should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the apps tile and then select startup on the left panel. On the right side, there's any apps you want to either enable or disable at startup, just toggle it to the left or the right side, depending if you want to enable or disable them. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.